very large white building. It is the largest open volume interior space in the world. Can you see it off to the left? You're looking at it from 4 or 5 miles away. This ship right here next to us is also a Royal Caribbean. That is the Vision of the Seas. They're in on a port of call day.
Where you check in to the cruise. Here we are on our city for the week. All right, let's go find our room. We are in 6th floor, 172. Here's our basic balcony room with our king-size bed, little nightstands. You have your safe and your closet. And then a view off the balcony. So we're still in port. This is a big boat. Big boat. Nice little couch. This is perfect for us. Lots of storage everywhere in here. Lots of little places to put your stuff. Before we checked in, we requested a small refrigerator so that we could have it for medical needs. And let's check out the little bathroom. That's always the hard part, these little bathrooms. It's not too bad. It's got a little shower, a little lavatory. This is when I'm glad for my hang-up bag, I tell you, with things like this. So we are super excited. Here we go. Some bankroll builders. Can't tell what the denom is. Here is the casino. Before anybody gets in here, I wanted to take you guys and show you around. So we learned that this side is the smoking area, and over there on the other side of the boat is non-smoking on the other side of the bar, and all bars are non-smoking. So this is how the rewards work here. So once you hit Prime, which is 2,500 points, then you get free drinks while you're gambling on the cruise. So this is how the next cruise benefits work.
Let me just get my card. Actually, I just had a question for you.
So just a few tips for you first-time cruisers. You can walk up to any of these restaurants and get you whatever you see. You don't have to check out. You just look at what they have. Any espresso specialty coffees, they're going to be extra cost, but you can come help yourself to the fruit or help yourself to any of the little things, the pizzas, whatever it is. But your specialty coffees are going to cost. But they have these little coffee and water and tea stands everywhere, so you can always walk up and get yourself water, coffee, teas, and that kind of thing. All right, so here's where you come get your deals on your alcohol. Each person sailing can get 1 liter and they can bring it back. So if you're traveling like we are with someone who isn't planning on buying a bottle, they too can pick a bottle and bring it home for you. So we're gonna get 4 of these. So some good money savings things for sure. I'm chasing Jason with the camera. And then here's a big tip. So you can get 4 cartons of cigarettes for $165. These brands only, but you can only take 1 carton per person off the boat, or you could get those duty charges. So that's an excellent deal. And you can get them when you first get on the boat, but you can't pick them up until you've sailed. We're gonna go to the boardwalk. There's our hot dogs, our free hot dogs.
All free.
Sauerkraut, dogs, all the things. Ride the carousel. No charge to do that.
And the ice cream here charged for.
Okay, she said the ice cream and the donuts over here are charged for. The candy and pinwheels, you pay for everything in there. So just know that. There's the inside balconies. We have beautiful, beautiful weather today. Okay, so she said Johnny Rockets is right over here. They have a cover charge per person, but it's all you can eat. But they do have breakfast there, right? Yes, they have breakfast there. Salsas, margaritas, tacos, and you don't pay for that. You just pay for drinks, right? This is the Opera Theater.
See where they're standing right there?
Yes.
That opens up, that's the pool. And
Oh,
they're
nice.
jumping from high up there, doing dives.
So that opens right there, and that's the pool. And they start jumping from way up here. We couldn't get tickets to this one,
These rooms
even
over
though we
here-
tried before. That would be a beautiful room.
Rooms here,
Rock climbing wall.
down there.
For those of you that are brave enough to travel with kiddos, they have that fun little thing for them to climb through. Lots of things for kids to do. A little arcade. And you can do the zip line here, and there's no charge to do that if you're brave enough. I might get brave enough. So there is the bar moving. It was on the bottom floor and it's headed back up. Pretty cool. Now we're going to go into Central Park.
We like to look over this.
You can pay to eat there, and you can also pay to eat here at Chop's Grille as an additional charge. And here's what you get for their appetizers and meals at Central Park. Lobster, lamb Wellington, pan-seared veal, medallions, cauliflower steak, and cheeses, fried cheese, peanut butter tarts. Sounds yummy. And there's Vintages. It's a wine bar. So we'll definitely have to check that one out, because Mike likes his wine.
And then that's it.
You see the dancers? All right, so here we are at the pool deck. Are we at the pool deck?
Yep, pool's right there and right there.
And then you can look over and see Central Park, where we just came from.
Where are the kids at?
There's the hot tubs. I do not do public pools and hot tubs, but a lot of people like it. Seems to me like they should be bigger for the size of these ships, I tell you. The only bad thing about having one of these rooms is people can see straight in. I don't know that I would like that. And we're sailing away. beautiful beaches of Florida. One of the things I don't love is the deck space outside is very limited. So there's not a lot of places you can go sit outside and just watch the water go by, which is one of the things I love to do, sit out and just watch the water go by. Okay, so we are playing Orb of the Wealth. Mike put $100 in and he got the 6 orb bonus. So let's see what he gets. Last one. $17. Got you back up. I know, where's the well, he said. Okay, we're gonna go have some lunch at the American Icon Grill. Here's what's on our menu. We're a group of 1 to 4, so we'll go right this way. Hello. Hi.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Oop, right there. Okay, so for lunch, Mike is gonna have the mozzarella sticks and the Mediterranean lamb pita. And I'm going to have the Caesar salad and the royal chicken sandwich. See how it is. So here is my Caesar salad. And Mike already started with the, how is it? How is it? Good. Cheese sticks. All right, so here is my deluxe chicken sandwich. It's got some fried onion, it looks like, on it. Some white meat chicken, lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise, and some yummy fries. And then Mike got the Mediterranean pita with all of that yumminess, this lamb, and then all this yumminess to top it with. Feta cheese, we have a lot of olives, cucumber, onion, and some good old dipping sauce. All right, let's eat. And here's the dessert, some key lime pie. That is a lot of meringue on that. All right, we're gonna go into the Windjammer marketplace. Check it out. Kiddos are having lots of fun out there. Central Park. Let's go to lunch.
Welcome back.
Thank you. We have wash stations to make sure you wash your hands before you go to the buffet. All the Coke you want. All the little salads that they have prepared. Potato salad, soup. Some breads over here. You got your deli. Make your own sandwiches. Or your own little charcuterie board. Breaded flounder and some hush puppies. Mashed potatoes and gravy. This is great. Some pastas. Alright, let's go look at the favorites over here. Some rice and peas and carrots. Some beef stew. Raspberry bread pudding. Some fruit. Barbecue pork chops. Some Cajun roasted potatoes. Grilled bangers. And more mashed potatoes and gravy. And you could go Indian if you want. Asian, Indian. I can't really say these names, but different kind of food. Some hash browns and pancakes and sausage for those brunch eaters, I guess. Another coffee, tea, strawberry lemonade, water, different teas back there. And we'll continue on with our favorites. More salad bar. And this is the buffet for lunch. Oh, this is the Asian. Okay, very cool. Great views of the sea. Oh, they got burgers over here. Lots to choose from. More salads. Get a burger, mac and cheese, got some sauerkraut, french fries, all your toppings. It's a fun little thing, little rocks. Sports court and the pool solarium. So that's the pool this way. It's a beautiful day. The weather is fantastic. Doing some basketball over there. Hitting those hoops. Great replica of this beautiful ship. Alright, so I'm playing a different version of this Ultimate Firelink Cash Falls, and I got the 4. I'm only on a 75-cent bet, but I got the full reel here, so it awards the bonus, I think. Or no, it didn't. I don't know what this thing's doing. So Mike got it. He's playing the Ultimate Firelink Cache Falls. You're on a 75-cent bet, right?
Yeah. Keep going. That's it. Pretty darn good, man.
All right, let's go to the Amber Theater and see some Mamma Mia. Hi.
Enjoy the show.
Thank you. Mike's already got our seat.
Climb on there, probably won't go.
What is, whoops.
She's seen worse, believe me.
All right, so Carrie got the shrimp cocktail, and it looks delicious. And I got the crab cake as an appetizer. And look at this. Mike got the bacon.
Peppered bacon.
It's a peppered, slow-cooked bacon, right? It looks fabulous. That's got to be
It's like a steak.
inch and a half thick. Looks like a steak, yeah. All right, let's dig in. All right, I got the rack of lamb. It looks delicious. Peppercorn, Bernice, and a red wine sauce. What'd you get, Mike?
The filet.
The filet. Really good. What'd you get, Carrie? What'd you get?
New York strip, potatoes, and macaroni and cheese.
So we got some shareables here, some tater tots, some asparagus, macaroni and cheese, potatoes, and truffle fries. Jason, what kind of steak did you get?
The T-bone.
T-bone. Nice. Looks delicious. I was so excited to dig into this dessert. We almost didn't get to video this. This is the red velvet cake. And here we got
That was apple pie.
apple pie.
Was.
Jason got some
Cheesecake.
cheesecake. And Mike got some. Oh, it looks so good. So good.
this is what we saw when we woke up this morning.
There is our ship, big yacht. The water is so blue. And this is Atlantis. It is a big resort. Here's the high limit room in Atlantis. All right, since it's Valentine's Day, we are gonna play Hot Heart. And we're just gonna play 20 bucks in here. We have 80 in the machine. And we're just gonna go through, let Mike play it. Go through the denoms, 30 cents up to $3. Go through the denoms. Oh, there you go, 5 of a kind. You won 70 cents, honey. Oh, there's our boat. Headed back. That is a great view of the boat and Atlantis. Here we are, made it to Coco Cay. It is quite windy. So this is Royal Caribbean's private island. Is the whole island. So much to do. I wonder how big this island is. All right, here is one of the buffets. Plenty of food. Food everywhere you go. Portobello sandwich, shaved ribeye. Burgers and corn and chicken and french fries. Tacos and toppings. Pork carnitas, chicken carnitas. you get, Mike? Burger?
Cheeseburger.
How is it? It's okay. The pork carnitas are really good on these tacos.